I want to show you how our customers' used printing blankets are turned into beautiful, timeless luxury pieces by Elvis Kresse, a certified B Corp UK company set up in 2005 with 50% of all their profits donated to charity. Here we have a lithographic printing blanket from one of our customers. We have a few customers who give us back their used blankets. They may have been printing newspapers, packaging or business forms. They come back to our factory here in Berkshire and we remove the aluminium or steel bars to be recycled. The blankets are collected by James, the Elvis at Elvis Kresse, taken to their workshop on their farm in Kent, where a small team deconstruct the used printing blanket by splitting it into two pieces. The underside of the deconstructed printing blanket, with the canvas on the reverse, is a bit thicker, so not as malleable and therefore not as easy to work with, but it's not wasted. Instead, it's used to make simple yet effective packaging. And this thinner, more flexible top printing surface is used to create some really beautiful, timeless pieces, all of which you can see on their website. All the materials they work with, including decommissioned fire hoses and parachute silk offcuts, were destined for landfill before being reclaimed and beautifully transformed into, among other things, belts, handbags, travel bags, weekend bags, briefcases, laptop cases, purses, and wallets. This briefcase belongs to our MD, and it goes everywhere with him. It gets a bit of a battering, being thrown in the car or on the floor, but it still looks great after almost 10 years. Going back to the deconstructed printing blanket material now, so here we have an example of the packaging I mentioned, using the underside of the printing blanket with the canvas back. And inside is a card holder, handmade in the workshop at Elvis Kresse. Here is the top printing surface of the used blanket, and inside is decommissioned fire hose, and the lining here is made from parachute silk offcuts. The printing blanket and the fire hose are very tactile. They have a lovely soft feel. Inside is also a leaflet on recycled packaging from craft paper, tea sacks, of course, with a brief history and description of the rather lovely story behind Elvis Kresse. So there you have it. Our used printing blanket has come full circle and become a timeless thing of beauty.